My name is Mark Petovic, and I'm the Manufacturing Operations Manager here at Spire Manufacturing.
My name is Chad Walter. I'm the crew chief for Raja Carruth and the HendrickCars.com Chevy Silverado.
My name is Raja Carruth, and a driver full-time in the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series for Spire Motorsports.
At Spire Manufacturing, we primarily focus on our NASCAR Truck Series and Cup Series program. I've discovered Kennametal back in my trade school days. Spire's been using Kennametal since I came on board about 2021. Kennametal has a good quality product. It allows us to run the tool faster without sacrificing tool life. This is a suspension component used with Alaska bush planes that we do for an outside customer, and we utilize the Dodeca and the Core 5 to pretty much produce the whole part. Performance is key on both sides, on and off the track. If we're not making good product here in the shop, you won't see success out on the racetrack. So key partners like Kennametal make that a dream come true.
I started racing online on iRacing and got noticed by the NASCAR Drive for Diversity programs. And then over the last 4 or 5 years, been racing regionally around the Carolinas and Virginia, kind of cutting my teeth. Yeah, I mean, I'm super grateful to have a partner like Kennametal supporting us, having quality parts on our race trucks and at our race shop.
You know, we race 23 weekends a year in the truck series. On a daily basis, we're getting something together for our race trucks. Spring helixes, spring seats, jack screws, shock mounts, a lot of suspension pieces come straight out of this shop. We live in a pretty exciting industry, a lot of safety and a lot of speed, right? And we can rely on Kennametal to kind of provide both of those things for us. Probably almost take it for granted, honestly, how good the stuff is that comes from here.
It makes the whole process better. It leads to us having not only race wins, but also the safest race trucks and race cars.
Kennametal across the board, it's nothing but positive.